we could freeze time. No better place for us to go. Sometimes when I look into your eyes, it's deep.
Happy birthday, Marimpe, and happy birthday, Juliana.
Ang wish ko sa'yo is happy life lang, peaceful, and a good quality life.
Heart keeps
Happy birthday, Nanay Fe and Juliana! Happy birthday, Nanay Fe and Juliana!
you and me under stars, flying faster than a comet. Ain't no way to stop. Grab the keys, start the car. Got my heart in full throttle, lightning in a bottle. You
Siyempre happy. Dumating yung mga kaibigan ko.
scared and never leave you alone. No, I don't care where we are. It don't
Talaga naman ikaw.
Birthday ng nanay pa eh.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Juliana and Nanay Fe! We love you!
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay. Ang wish ko sana madagdagan pa ang buhay mo.
Kala ko
Happy
eh.
80th birthday, Nanay.
Dagdagan pa ng anak. Juliana, happy 18th birthday. Always happy. Don't worry too much. Go with the flow. Just always be happy. I love you. Another happy 80th birthday. Wish ko lagi kang healthy, laging masaya.
Salamat sa Panginoong Diyos at tayo ay narito sa iyong kaarawan. Salamat! Happy birthday! Pamilya ka sa amin eh. Kahit hindi tayo connected by blood, alam ko connected tayo by heart.
Talagang tayo ay kabilang sa mga blessed. Salamat sa ating mga anak, sa iyong mga anak at nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon para sa ganitong selebrasyon. More blessings, good health. Happy birthday.
Salamat sa mga anak ko. I love you.
Thank you for supporting me for all these years. I hope to make you more proud. I love you.